Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can remove password from a PDF file. Now, if you search up unlock any PDF on Google here, you can see that there's a website called unlock any PDF, but I don't actually recommend this website because you need an account to do it. So instead, I recommend this website down here called smallpdf.com. Now I'm going to show you real quick how to do this. So just click on this website and you can see it's unlock PDF for free. So you can easily remove passwords from PDF online, no size limit, no watermarks, and no sign up required. So you can just upload your PDF, unlock it, and that's it. So let's try. So let's choose a file, and I'm going to do sample for PDF here. Now you can see it's uploading just like this. And let's just wait for it to upload. It's working its magic. It's doing its thing to remove the password. And there you go. You can see now the password has its password unlock. You can click on download here to download your PDF. And if I double click it here, you can see I can open this PDF no problem without needing to enter in any passwords or anything of the sorts. So if you like this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.